Rub it in. Take my camera away.
I'm now in part of the lowland tropical rainforest that once covered much of West Africa's coastal region. This is the Gola Forest Reserve area, and it covers about 75,000 hectares of Sierra Leone. My experience of this unique place starts with a short walk, going as far as this beautiful lake.
So are you going camera on?
Tonight we sleep out in the forest. And then we're ready to go on a longer trek. The Gola Forest area is recognised as one of the world's few biodiversity hotspots, so it's really important to preserve it. Amongst the threatened wildlife here are at least 8 species of birds and 9 species of mammals. Much of the rainforest in Sierra Leone has already been lost because of logging. We find abandoned machinery from the time when it was worthwhile to bring it here and use it.
You just need a nail another.
Then, after 2 long hours walking, we find today's destination. Some more infrastructure, built before the Civil War of the 1990s. Now, there are no roads leading to this bridge over the Mahoy River. So our journey back is just as arduous. We can see that there isn't much logging going on now, but it's very much a threat. With some 100,000 people living in the forest area, the temptation to issue licenses must be great. Apart from arranging our visit, the Gola Forest project aims to conserve this unique biodiversity for the future and to ensure the livelihoods of local people. Declaring the Gola Forest a national park is a key objective. Not far away is Tiwai Island. The name in the local language means Big Island. Covering some 13 square kilometres, this wildlife sanctuary provides a site for biological research and for local employment. For example, it creates work for river guides. This island on the River Moa is shared by 2 local chieftaincies. Both communities sought recognition of this special biosphere and now help to manage the site. My visit helps to support this unique community conservation program and protect some of the rarest wildlife in the world.